Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marilyn, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite heels specifically for 2026. I just picked these shoes up. It's a mixture of Fashion Nova, Steve Madden, and Mango. Mango is one of the brands that I'm actually trying out for the first time. I want to show you guys everything that I got. Stick around to see the entire video. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. All right, so I have some boxes here, and then I also have some loose shoes that don't have boxes. I'm going to start with my favorite ones. These are the first ones I have. I got these shoes from Steve Madden. I actually purchased these from Nordstrom Rack, but the brand is Steve Madden. Just look at them up close. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. It's got this burgundy wine red color. I have a bag that matches this exact color. I like to style my bags with my shoes. I love that it has the gold detailing here in the center, and it also has that gold detail here on the heel itself as well. One of the things you'd probably notice is that it's not a very high heel. I'm not really into wearing heels that are taller than 4 inches. 4 is my cutoff. Anything taller than that, I'm not gonna wear it, but 10 out of 10 for these for sure. The next pair I have are these, and these are from Mango. I'm gonna make sure everything will be linked down below. They still have their tags on them. This is what the heels look like. It's a very sturdy leather. Love, love, love this shoe. It's also pointy, as you can see in the front. It has just enough space for my feet to fit in here without suffocating. True to size as well. Got it in a US women's size 10, fits perfectly. And also, as you can see, it's not too tall. It's just the perfect height. And I love this arch here by the heel. I find that the arches make the heels more comfortable to wear compared to the previous heel that I showed you. That did not have that arch, but I'm absolutely in love with these shoes. I got them in a chocolate brown color as well, so I'm quickly gonna show you those too. Okay, so this is the chocolate brown color. It looks, of course, equally as gorgeous. Again, super soft, leathery material. Feels so soft. And on the inside, it's made of material that is non-slippery. So this outer material that's a little bit more shiny is slippery, but the material on the inside is not. I got this in a US size 10, and it fits perfectly. 10 out of 10 for these. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to some of the shoes that I picked up from Fashion Nova, of course. The first one being, I mean, you can never go wrong with animal prints. I love me a good animal print shoe. Animal print is just so classy in my opinion, especially if you style it properly, style it really, really well. It looks so good. But this is the heel, so gorgeous. Has this shiny material as well. It's pointy in the front. The heel is skinnier than the previous heels that I've shown you guys. Regardless of the circumference of the heel, it is still pretty sturdy and very comfortable. I've walked around with these, you can see it underneath. I've walked in these and they are so comfy. These would be perfect pairing with a really nice pair of jeans and a top. Love them down so much. 10 out of 10. The next pair I have are these. It's giving Bora Bora. Don't you guys think so? I think it gives Bora Bora, but these are the heels. They are this nice pink color. This is what it looks like up close. Has these details with the little charms on it. Love these down so much. They are gorgeous. Also true to size, got it in a US women's size 10. I'm really loving slipper heels as well, even though they don't tend to be as comfortable because of this thong piece here in the center. These are actually very comfortable. They have this round cut in the front instead of pointy, which I also do prefer with these specifically because it makes them more of an everyday shoe. It's not every day that you wear heels that are pointy or square foot. Sometimes you want to wear the more cute heels. And I would consider the round heels more on the cute side. Heels that you could wear with t-shirt and jeans. Pretty casual, but you can also style these and dress them up for vacation, even wearing them to the beach. And as you can see, they're not that tall and the heel circumference is pretty skinny as well. Okay, so I have 2 more that I want to show you. This is the second last one. This is so giving Y2K. These would also pair with a great pair of jeans and a top. The inspo I had for these shoes specifically is actually the Coach signature or monogram heels. That's what I was going for. I like heels that have some kind of texture to it all around, but then it also has like a contrast, and this heel has that, which I love. The heel also, as you can see, is pretty skinny. Most of them are from Fashion Nova for some reason. I'm not actually sure why all their heels are like that. It is what it is. Regardless of the circumference, it's still very comfortable. It doesn't really matter. 10 out of 10 for these as well. And these are the last pair that I have. I actually wore these to church today. Today's Easter Sunday, and I wore these today and they look so good. It's just a simple pair of slipper heel that is just about 3 inches tall, or even less. It should be 2.5 actually. Super comfy. Love these down. They do have them in multiple colors as well, so everything will be linked in the description box so you can check out everything for yourself. I love making videos like this for you guys. To those of you that are here for your first time, if you like this video, make sure to stick around and subscribe to my channel so you can come back for more. If there's anything specific that you want me to try out, let me know in the comment section as well. And as always, God loves you and I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.